In this question, we're asked to write an equation that represents this situation, this word problem, and then we'll solve it, right? So whenever you're writing an equation for a word problem, you're trying to write the equation that reflects the problem, not the answer. So let's see what we have. We have candidate C received 15,000 fewer votes than candidate B, right? And then there's a total of 19,000 or 109,000 votes. Okay. And how many votes did candidate B receive? So I'm going to say let B represent the number of votes, right, received for candidate B. Okay, so now what do we have? We have the total of all the votes equals 109,000, right? So that includes candidate B plus candidate C. Well, candidate C received 15,000 fewer than B. So candidate C would be B minus 15,000, right? That's how many candidate C got. And then if we add that to how many candidate B got, we get a total of 109,000. Okay, so there's my equation that represents the situation. Now let's solve, right? So I have B minus 15,000 plus B equals 109,000. B and B is 2B minus 15,000. Equals 109,000, right? And then add 15,000 to both sides, plus 15,000, and I get 2B equals, that's 124,000, and divide both sides by 2, and we get B equals 62,000. So the solution in this case would be, candidate B received 62,000 votes. And something looks wrong. Yes, my spelling looks wrong, right? E-I-V-E-D, right? So this would be your answer, and this would be the equation, and all this is your work to find the answer.